Hello there. Welcome to our English class. But before anything else, I would like you to ask you a question if you can see me clearly. That's good. How about can you hear me well? Very good. How about my talking speed? Is it okay or should I speak slowly? Very good. Okay, but before anything else, I would like to introduce myself first to you. I am Teacher K. I came from the beautiful country of the Philippines. How about you? What is your name? Good job. Nice to meet you. Now, let us start our lesson. But before that, let me share you my screen first. Okay, now, can you see my screen now? Very good. Now let us start to the lesson 1. Do we have the same textbook? Good job. Now, our title for today is What do you want to do? Can you repeat that, please? Very good. Now, our week's phrase is all about I want to. Our week's phrase is I want to. Can you repeat that, please? Very good. Now, let's go to the let's learn new words. Okay. Can you say let's learn new words? Very good. Okay. Let uh choose the correct word that matches the picture. Okay. Can you see all of the pictures below? Okay. But before that, let us practice our vocabulary, okay? By repeating what teacher would read, okay? Good job. Now let us start to the first picture. Number 1 is play. Can you repeat that? Very good. How about the second one? Sing. Can you say that? Very good. Let's go to the second picture. It. Very good. How about to the second one? Make. Very good. Let's go to the third picture. Can you say dance? Good job. How about to the another word? Sing. Can you repeat the word sing? Very good. Now let's go to the last picture. Can you say it? Very good. How about to the last one? The word dance. Can you repeat the word dance? Good job. Now, let us continue the activity. We will going to choose the correct word that matches the picture. Okay, let's go to the first picture. What are they doing? They are playing or they are singing. Very good. They are playing. Good job. Very good. Let's go to the second picture. What the boy do? Good job. He eat. Very good. How about the third picture? What are they doing? Okay, they are singing. How about the last picture? They are dance. Very good. Good job. You did a great and very good job. By the way, sorry, but it's already time. I am happy meeting you today. And you tried your best to express yourself by speaking English. Good job for that. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye.